Hello everyone.
Welcome to Food as Medicine channel. Poha Upma or Aval Upma. This is a traditional recipe in North India and they used to do it very frequently. This is a healthy recipe and it is really good for health. The preparation will take only 10 minutes of time. Let's see it. Take 2 cups of poga or aval or flattened rice. Just add 2 cups of water to the poga so that it will become soft. Don't soak the poga, just pour the water and mix it very well in a strainer. That's enough. It will become very soft. Keep it for just 3 minutes like this. In a pan, take 1.5 spoons of oil and heat it. Add 1 spoon of mustard seeds. Wait until it splatters. Add 1 spoon of cumin seeds. North Indians add only the cumin seeds. Add 5 green chilies slit in the middle and then 5 curry leaves. Add quarter cup of peanuts. Peanuts are rich source of protein. Just cook the peanuts for minimum 1 minute. Add 4 pinch of hing for flavor. Add quarter spoon of turmeric. Mix the turmeric very well in the oil, then only it will stick to the poga or aval. Now add the soaked poga to this. Mix the poga with other ingredients. It has to be nicely mixed. Just add half spoon of salt to this. Mix everything very well together. Aval is really good for health and it is really easy to digest. That's why we have to make aval related recipe often. Mixing itself will take minimum 1 minute because it needs to be mixed very well with turmeric, then only it will become yellow. Keep the flame low and cover it with lid. Cook it for minimum 2 minutes and then take out the lid. You could see that aval become very soft. Now switch off the flame and add half lemon juice to this. This will give sour taste to the aval. After adding the lemon juice, mix it very well. This recipe is a light recipe for breakfast or dinner. Our healthy aval upma is ready. Just transferring to the serving bowl. I tasted this aval upma. It is really good and this is a traditional recipe for North Indians. When I was working in Mumbai, I ate this aval upma or poga upma. That tastes good. The same recipe has been given here. Try this recipe and leave your comments. Thank you.